In this video we're going to look at some questions in relation to personal budgets and how to solve for them. Alright, so in this question we have Oscar and Jill who are living in an apartment. Part of their budget is shown below. We want to calculate the total amount paid over 1 year for electricity, insurance, food and rent. Well, let's do electricity first. So if we look at electricity, we get given an item, and we get given when, and we get given a cost. So this is the important part here. It's telling us that they pay this bill quarterly, which means they pay it 4 times a year, and that quarterly bill works out to be $384. So to find the amount of money they spend over the entire year, what we need to do is add up the 4 quarters, or the 4 quarterly payments that they make. So their yearly electricity bill is going to be equal to, well, that's our quarterly bill, so we need to times this by 4. 4 times 384. 4 times 384. 384. 1,536. Alright, let's look at B. B, we have their insurance. What's their annual insurance bill? Well, they pay it bi-annually, which means they pay this bill twice a year. Bi meaning 2, so they pay it biannually, so they pay it twice a year. And that would be, so, yearly insurance is going to be equal to 2 times $1,275. 2 times $1,275. $2,550. Okay, and now we'll go on to C. Well, what's their food going to cost? Well, they've got their food listed in terms of weeks, and we know that there are 52 weeks in a year. So, if we take their yearly food is going to be equal to $360 times 52. 360 times 52, $18,720. And what is going to be D? Well, that's their rent. They're paying their rent monthly. And we know that there are 12 months in 1 year. So we know that ultimately we will have to find the yearly rent. It's going to be equal to 1,950 times 12. 1,950 times 12 is equal to $23,400. Okay, so now that we've solved for all of these items in their budget, they are all in terms of years, then you can work backwards from this information to get a weekly amount you'll be spending on every single one of these bills that are occurring at different time periods. Alright, that's all I've got you for this video. Please watch some more.